Hi friends, welcome back to Karah's Beauty Bar. Today we're gonna unbox Mary Kay's new summer products. So I just got the summer products in and I haven't opened it yet. It's completely sealed and I just wanted to do a quick unboxing. I'm not gonna try on any of these products today, but I wanted to show you what there was because I'm really excited about the new products and I hope you are too. If you guys would like to see me try the new products in a look, let me know down below. I can do another video that has a full look with the new products because I do know that there is some makeup products in here and they're super sparkly and pretty and I'm very excited to try them as well. But let's get to the unboxing. All right, here we go. New products in this box. Clever cutter. Here we go. Alrighty, so Mary Kay has came out with a updated version of the botanical line. They now call it the Mary Kay line. So I don't know why they changed it, but there was 3 different versions and they kind of smushed it into one version for either dry skin or oily skin. So they have a hydrating and a mattifying set. So I got the to-go sets to try them out. I do have a few of the old botanical lines still, so I'm going to move those before I get the new ones. So if you want some of the botanical line that I already have, let me know. And then once those are through, I'm going to order the new ones. But this is the new Mary Kay set, so it's good for all skin types, for all skin. It doesn't have anti-aging, so teenagers can use it. It's a very good starting kit, and this is what they look like. So these are just the travel sets, but basically there's the cleanser, and then there's a balancing toner, and then there is a hydrating moisturizer, and whatever I just dropped. Oh, there's an exfoliating scrub. Now that's cool. I like that. So there's a new scrub on the market, apparently. So yeah, so that's exciting. So maybe I'll try that scrub out. So that's the new set. The bigger versions are 80, I think, and then the small versions are like 20 or 25, I don't remember. But yeah, so that's the new skincare line. So exciting. Mary Kay's always updating their skincare lines because they want the best of the best. So let's see, we've got some samples. I have some stuff in here that is just replacement stuff. I have some reusable makeup removing pads. Lots of things. I'm gonna open one of these lookbooks so I can tell you what everything is called. So the new lookbook, if you would like a lookbook, let me know in the comments. Say lookbook, and I will get you a lookbook. I can't. Okay. So the Mary Kay skincare line, now that I was talking about it, so the full set is 80 and then these are 20. So if you want a to-go set, oh wait, no, they're 22. I can read, 22. So that's a good number, lucky number. All right, so what else we got in here? The other things we have, I do have samples of the skincare line. So if you'd like to try the new skincare line, put sample down below and I'll get you a sample. Because we do have that as well. And then, some other stuff. So I'm just taking all the things that are not new out. I needed some new stuff. Okay, I have lots of samples of the new skincare line, so definitely say sample down below. Okay, it's all in this bag, so I'm just making sure there's nothing else in here. All right, we're going into the bag. Okay, what do we have? we have, I'm so excited for these guys. So this is the limited edition Mary Kay matte liquid lipstick. So they're not lip glosses, they're lipstick, and they're matte lipsticks, which I love matte. And they go on like a liquid. I mean, that's just freaking awesome. This is like my favorite kind of product, like ever. Okay, so there's 3 different shades. So let me show you the 3 different shades. So we have Soft Fawn. I don't know why it's called Soft Fawn, but this is the color. This is Soft Fawn. So it's like a nudish mauve color. It's really cute. So for my natural beauties, though, that's the Soft Fawn. And then we have the Red Noir. This is probably gonna be one of my favorites. So this is the Red Noir, and it's like a deep, rich red. So I really like that. It's very sexy looking. And then we have the Rich Mahogany. So this is like a deep purple, but it's more of a, it's more like not natural, but like muted. So I love that. This is a really nice color. So those are the liquid matte lipsticks, and they're $20 each. And they come in Soft Fawn, Red Noir, and Rich Mahogany. So those are really pretty. I'm very excited to try those. If you'd like me to do a look with all those things, let me know down below. I could do that. Okay, and then the other thing, we have a new product. We have, here we go, this one. So we have a new clear brow styling gel. So if you don't know what that is, so we have brow liners and brow tints. The brow liners fill in your brows, the tints volumize your brows, but the clear brow styling gel basically sets your brows, if that makes sense. So if you like the way your brows look, or if you're finished doing whatever with the tint and the volumizer and you want to set it real nice, you're going to comb them through with this clear stylizing gel, and then they're gonna stay in place all day long. So that's really exciting. We were missing this in the line, and I was like, oh, we need a styling gel, and they did it. They made a styling gel, so very exciting. So these are, I believe, 14 probably. Yeah, these are 14 because all of our brow products are 14. Those are not limited edition. They are on the full line now, so that's super exciting. Always exciting when they put something on the line forever to stay until, you know, they decide to discontinue things. I don't know why they like to discontinue favorite products. Okay, then we have the Sparkle Cream Lipstick. I'm so excited for these. Okay, so we have, this one is called Positive Impact. Oh, look, they have hearts. And this is, oh, it's so shiny. So it's not, when it goes on, it's not like this shiny. It's more like a shimmer, like, it's almost like a lip gloss shimmer, but it's obviously not a lip gloss, it's a lipstick. So it's not gonna be like, oh my God, I'm a disco ball. So it is super shiny on the thing, but it's actually not like disco ball on your lips, if that makes sense. So that's that one. And then this one is the Empower. Is that all it's called? So it's only called Empower. So this one's the red one, or the pink one. It's more pink than red, and that one's super shiny too, and I love it. So yeah, so these are $22 each, and $1 of each sale of these goes towards the Mary Kay Foundation, and the Mary Kay Foundation donates to breast cancer awareness research and domestic violence shelters and stuff like that. So things that help other women is the Mary Kay Foundation. So that's really cool. They usually do every so often have like $1 of every sale of like a new limited edition product do that. So always look out for those products, because then your money goes towards something other than, you know, your local Mary Kay consultant who provides for her family. So yeah, so those are the new products. That's it. That's all there is this time. They didn't come out with a lot. I think the skincare line was like the big major thing. And then they had like some of the lipstick stuff. All right, so that is the haul. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, I can test out some of these lipsticks if you want. Just let me know down in the comments and what kind of look I should do. And that's all I got for you this week. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for that other video. And I will see you next week. Bye.